right, so we just received this. If you guys are going on a trip to Europe or anywhere where they have different types of electrical outlets, you probably would use this. This is all the specifications. Let's go ahead and open her up and see what we think. Oh, look. We've got this on there, so I gotta... All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at this. Oh, it comes in a cool case. Check it out. All right, I think I like it. Very stylish. Put the case down there. And a couple extra fuses come with it. May need those. Set that there. I do believe this is our... Oh, look. They gave us a little sticker. Your travel companion. Put that there. And this is your World Traveler Adapter User Manual. And I do believe it's got all the specs in it. So you guys can take a look at that. Look at this. Wow. Look at all that stuff. We'll have to read that. All right, anyway, let's get her out of the package. Oh, there it is. There's the hole. Bam. And there she is. Check her out. I mean, oh, what's this? Safety shutters are equipped to avoid accidental insertion of foreign objects and only open when pressed by prongs of the plug simultaneously. It might take some force to plug in for the first time, but gets smoother over time. This adapter does not convert voltage. To use AC-powered devices aboard, you must make sure it supported dual voltage with 100 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz print on it. Phone, tablet chargers in most laptops. Okay, check hair tools. You know, those things where you breathe with, the CPAPs, electric shavers, and toothbrushes. Any device with 120 volt, 60 hertz printed, any hair dryer or steamer over 2,000 watts. So you can't use that. See, that's an X there. Don't use those. USB ports work anywhere in the world, so that's good. All right, so let's take that off there. We might want to save that. Let's put it over here for now, and let's take a look at it. Check it out. All right, so it works like this. Watch. There's America. Oh, here. So to make it go back, you press that, and that slides back. See this here? You got to press that. So this goes forward. Here we are in Europe. You can see that's like, I think, England, maybe. And then we got to press this, and then we can push this back. And then I think this is France. I think France has it like this. And to get out of it, you got to press this right here and push this back. So you've got, you know, America, England, and Europe, the European Union. And you got USB here, USB-C, and another USB-C here. So yeah, it does look like it's going to work great for us when we go on our vacation. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this right here. Peace out.